Mint Raita is a refreshing and cooling Indian yogurt-based side dish that perfectly complements spicy meals. In this video, we'll learn how to make mint raita from scratch and explore its numerous benefits. Let's start with the ingredients you'll need. For a basic mint raita, you'll require fresh yogurt, preferably thick and creamy, fresh mint leaves, green chilies, cumin powder, salt, and a small amount of water. Optional ingredients include finely chopped onions, tomatoes, or cucumbers for added texture and flavor. Now, let's move on to the preparation process. First, wash the mint leaves thoroughly and pat them dry. Finely chop the mint leaves and green chilies. In a mixing bowl, add the yogurt and whisk it until smooth. If the yogurt is too thick, you can add a little water to achieve the desired consistency. Next, add the chopped mint leaves and green chilies to the yogurt. Sprinkle in the cumin powder and salt according to your taste preferences. Mix all the ingredients well, ensuring that the mint is evenly distributed throughout the yogurt. If you're using optional ingredients like chopped onions, tomatoes, or cucumbers, fold them in gently at this stage. For the best flavor, refrigerate the raita for about 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld together and the raita to chill, making it even more refreshing. Mint raita is incredibly versatile and can be served in various ways. It's an excellent accompaniment to spicy Indian dishes like biryani, pulao, or curry. You can also use it as a dip for vegetables or Indian breads like naan or roti. Some people even enjoy it as a light and refreshing salad dressing. Now, let's explore the health benefits of mint raita. This simple dish packs a nutritional punch. The yogurt in raita is an excellent source of protein and calcium, promoting bone health and aiding in digestion. It also contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health. Mint, the star ingredient, offers numerous health benefits. It's known for its cooling properties, making it perfect for hot summer days or as a complement to spicy foods. Mint aids in digestion, helps relieve nausea, and can even alleviate headaches. It's also rich in antioxidants, which help protect your body from oxidative stress. The cumin in mint raita adds more than just flavor. It's known to boost digestion, improve immunity, and may even help in managing blood sugar levels. Green chilies, if used, provide a good dose of vitamin C and can help boost metabolism. In conclusion, mint raita is not only a delicious and versatile dish, but also a healthy addition to your diet. Its simple preparation, cooling properties, and numerous health benefits make it an ideal accompaniment to many meals. Why not try making your own mint raita today and experience its refreshing taste and benefits for yourself?